This video is to help you with the technology and specifically Excel. So I wrote a little bit here that you can read through. The link here goes to the Office 365. I'm already logged in, but you might have to log in when you click that. And then here is the link to install and more, and you can get Office apps here. You just click that there. And then just follow the instructions for downloading Excel. Once you have Excel here, I have a practice assignment for us where it's a very quick one. I'll show you how to do it. The data file is here, so the first step is just download that data file. It should open in Excel. If it opens in numbers or something else, you have to make sure you change it to Excel, that it opens there instead. And this is what it looks like. For anyone who's never used Excel before, each of these boxes is called a cell. The rows are by number, and then the columns are by letter. You can see here, so like this cell here is D9. The reference is right up here. And if you want to select things, you click in the center. So use this, it's a chunky white plus sign, go to the center, click and drag to select. Go down here. Once you have it selected, then choose this in the Home tab here, sort and filter smallest to largest. There. Another way to select things is sometimes a little bit easier if you click the first one that you want to select and then scroll to the last one that you want to select. Here, hold Shift and click, and it'll select those. It's a little bit easier to select them. One thing, a common mistake that I see, if you go to the bottom right corner and click and drag, and I'll show you, this is a bad way to select things. It turns to a slimmer black plus sign here. If you click and drag, it actually copies that over the other stuff there. So you don't want to use that for selecting your data. You want to go to the middle, the chunky white plus sign there. That's the one you want to use. All right, so I have this file open, and what I want you to do after you've sorted from least to greatest, and then you want to copy and paste it from this file to the submission file here. So I'm going to open this one, submission file. And I want you to paste it into column C, the one that's gray here. Paste it into here. And just going to select the data again. To copy, you can either right-click and choose copy, or you can do a shortcut Control-C, or on Mac, Command-C. And I missed one of them. I missed the first one here, so I gotta go back and fix that. Command-C to copy, and then go to the other one. Here, you can either right-click. I usually like paste special and then just choose the values to paste it. If you do it quicker though, it's Command V and it'll come up and paste the data in there. And this one's good. It's saying it's in order, which is what we had to do. We had to sort it and then copy and paste it. Sometimes we'll need to sort things. Sometimes we won't need to sort things. I just want to get you in the habit of copying and pasting. Once you have it copied and pasted here, I'm just going to save it. I press Command S. You can also choose File and Save. On PC, you might not need to. They sometimes automatically saves it for you. And then what you want to do is upload this to this one. I don't think I can do that on here. The view is strange. But you would upload it to this one and then submit it. And then I'll look at it, make sure that you did it correctly.